Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Absa Bank fixed deposits. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account that provides a fixed interest rate for a specific period of time, allowing you to earn a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account. To get started, it is essential to understand the key concepts of a fixed deposit. The interest rate is determined by the bank and is typically higher for longer deposit periods. The deposit period can range from a few months to several years, and the interest is usually paid out at the end of the term. When considering a fixed deposit with Absa Bank, it is crucial to evaluate your financial goals and needs. Determine the amount you want to invest, the desired interest rate, and the deposit period that suits you best. It is also important to consider the fees and charges associated with the fixed deposit, such as early withdrawal penalties. To maximize your returns, consider the following best practices. First, choose a deposit period that aligns with your financial goals. If you need access to your money in the short term, a shorter deposit period may be more suitable. On the other hand, if you can afford to lock your money away for a longer period, you may earn a higher interest rate. Another best practice is to take advantage of the interest compounding feature. This allows you to earn interest on both the principal amount and the accrued interest, resulting in higher returns over time. Additionally, consider making regular deposits into your fixed deposit account to increase your savings and earnings. It is also important to be aware of the tax implications of your fixed deposit. The interest earned on your deposit may be subject to tax, so it is essential to understand the tax laws and regulations in your country. In South Africa, for example, the interest earned on a fixed deposit is subject to income tax, and Absa Bank will deduct the relevant tax amount from your interest earnings. In conclusion, a fixed deposit with Absa Bank can be a valuable savings tool, providing a low-risk investment option with a fixed interest rate. By understanding the key concepts, evaluating your financial goals and needs, and following best practices, you can maximize your returns and achieve your savings objectives. Remember to always read and understand the terms and conditions of your fixed deposit account, and seek advice from a financial advisor if needed.